How's it going, YouTube? This is Bob with an update on the Red Jacket 300 AAC Blackout that I recently put together, and we're now up and running. A couple things I had to change on this. I put a 5-ounce buffer into the stock here, and I think that slowed down the bolt. I think we had a little bit of over travel where the bolt was moving maybe a little too fast, and it was overriding the next round. Putting the heavier buffer tube in that made a big difference. Still wasn't running exactly where it needed to be, so I did enlarge the gas port a little bit. I enlarged it to 0.91, so I probably could have gone to 0.111, okay, and still had good results. But I figured I'd start small and then work my way up to it. So I drilled that out, made it a little bit bigger, added the 5-ounce buffer tube to it. And now this SI barrel is working pretty flawlessly. So we've got a real nice weapon now. I think I had maybe one failure to fire on it today, and that's because things were getting dried up on it. I ran a lot of rounds through this today, and so I just hit it with a little bit of WD-40 and we're back in the races. So anyway, we got this Red Jacket build here, and I love it. It's a great weapon. I'm really liking this 300 Blackout platform. You get some high velocity knockdown power up at closer ranges, and shooting it out at 300 yards today, no problems hitting a 14-inch target. So very pleased with it. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you on the firing line.
We need to put another target up.
Center, that far right.
Far right.
Center.
Oh, good.
See nothing. You sure?
Huh? The sugar's making the stuff. Yep.
Okay, let me make my adjustments.